Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming the simple phone charger, often overlooked and used only for its basic charging function, into a powerful, versatile tool capable of giving you free TV channels. I'll take a utility knife and carefully pry open the seams. Once I've managed to pry it open, I'll completely remove the circuit board from the casing. I need to handle this delicate component with care, as it's the brain of our future project. As you can see, there's quite a bit of intricate wiring inside. Now, I'm placing the circuit board onto a small wooden block to keep it stable. I'm now applying a small amount of solder to each of the exposed contacts on the circuit board. This prepares them for connecting our wires. Using my soldering iron, I'm carefully attaching two small wires to specific points on the circuit board. These wires will eventually connect to the antenna's receiving elements. I'm going to solder two short wires to specific points on the circuit board. I'm using a red wire for one connection and I'll use a blue wire for the other. This process requires a steady hand and precise application of the soldering iron to ensure a strong electrical connection. The wires will act as extensions for connecting external components later. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Once both wires are securely soldered, I will cut off the excess on the circuit board. This helps clear space and ensures our connections are neat. I'll carefully place the modified circuit board back into its casing. I need to make sure the newly soldered wires exit cleanly from the charger housing without getting pinched or damaged. This maintains the structural integrity and safety of the device. Once the circuit board is back inside, I'll close up the casing. Then, I'll trim the ends of the red and blue wires protruding from the charger. This prepares them for connecting to the next component. This step also ensures a tidy finish. Next, I'm taking small terminal block. I'll use a screwdriver to loosen the screws, preparing them for the wires. Now, I will attach this connector block assembly to the wires from the charger. The wires from the charger will fit directly into the two holes of the connector block. I will tighten the screws to securely fasten the charger to the connector block, creating a firm electrical connection. To make sure everything stays firmly in place and is properly insulated, I'm going to add some hot glue around the terminal blocks and where they connect to the charger. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. For the next part, I'll grab two small metal rivets. These will act as our antenna elements. I'll insert one rivet into an empty terminal block opening and tighten it securely with a screwdriver. Then I'll repeat the process for the second rivet, placing it in another empty opening. It's crucial that these are tightly fastened to ensure good contact and signal reception. The charger is connected to the terminal blocks, and the rivets are ready to receive signals. I have a plug here. I'll use a screwdriver to remove it to get the plugs inside. Next, I'm taking a long black cable, which will be our main antenna lead. I'll carefully strip off the outer insulation of the cable using a utility knife. This exposes the internal wires. Take your time with this to avoid cutting the inner wires. I'll twist the shielding wires together to form a single connection point. This is important for optimal signal transmission and reception. After stripping the wires, I'm attaching them to the plug pins and tightening them. After securing it, I will reattach it to the plug and fasten the casing securely. I will use electrical tape to wrap around the coaxial cable. This provides an extra layer of insulation and stability, which is crucial for both safety and durability. I'll then attach a coaxial F connector to one end of the prepared cable. This type of connector is commonly used for television antennas. It ensures a reliable and tight connection to the TV or other devices. Next, I will take the power plug of the cable and attach it to the modified charging assembly. Initially, the TV shows no signal, which is what we expect without a proper antenna. Then, I'll plug the antenna socket into the antenna input on the back of my television. Watch how the TV picks up channels almost instantly. You can see various channels appearing, proving that our homemade antenna is working perfectly. Isn't that incredible? This simple charger has been transformed into a powerful digital TV antenna. Just to prove it's not magic, let me unplug the antenna from the back of the TV. See, instantly, no signal appears again. This confirms that our DIY device is indeed responsible for pulling in those channels. Now, let's plug it back in. And just like that, the signal returns, and we have live TV once more. It's consistently working across various channels. Our incredible multifunctional antenna, made from a simple phone charger. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.